Hi guys, today we are making red velvet cheesecake brownies. The first thing you're going to want to do is take some nonstick spray and spray it on the bottom and the sides of your dish, and then I cut out some parchment paper and I stuck that on the bottom so that it would stick. And now I'm using a mixer to combine the butter and sugar. Next, I'm going to mix in the eggs. Then add in the cocoa powder. Now I'm just adding in the red food coloring. And now I'm mixing in the flour. When everything is combined, that mixture part is done, and now I'm just taking a little bit of the mixture and putting it in a bowl for later, and then I'm putting it into the bowl and spreading it out. For the cheesecake and a mixer, I'm combining the cream cheese and adding 1 egg and a little bit of vanilla. With the leftover red velvet that you set aside, I'm taking spoonfuls of that and putting it over the cream cheese middle layer thing, and I'm just taking a knife and making little swirls. After it has baked, I let it cool a little bit, and then I went around the edges to loosen it up, and I lifted it right onto a plate, and that's what's great about parchment paper. I thought this recipe tasted okay. It wasn't one of my favorite recipes, but if you do try this out, let me know why mine didn't rise and if you liked it or not, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!